What are you doing? What? What are you doing? Did you say nothing? What are you doing, Teddy?
Bye. 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 Bye.
Good morning, Lucy. Good morning. Hi. That was my sweet girl this morning. Yeah. Love you, Lulu. Your brother is doing something weird in the bathroom. Let's go see what he's up to. Teddy, you're done with the bathroom here?
Yeah.
How about some breakfast? How about some breakfast? Peanut butter English muffin is a good idea. Let's have that. Come here. Oh, look at Lulu.
Hi, Lily.
You want to say hi to Lucy?
Yeah.
Is that your sister, baby sister Lucy? Can you sing her song? Oh, Lucy. Can you sing Oh, Lucy? Can you sing Oh, Lucy, oh, Lucy? Those eyes, those eyes. Back to the bathroom. Back to the bathroom.